Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how quick exhaust valve work in a pneumatic system. First of all, see the construction of circuit. It consists of compressor, a FRL unit, direction control valve, a quick exhaust valve connected to the single acting cylinder. When first position is actuates, the valve is shifted towards the left hand side and cylinder is in the retraction position. When I actuate the second position, because of pressurized air, this ball is shifted to the right hand side and cylinder starts to extend. When I actuate the first position, cylinder starts to retract, and because of the pilot pressure, the ball is shifted to the left hand side and exhaust port of the quick exhaust valve gets open. Air is directly transferred to the atmosphere without sending it from the direction control valve. Like that, quick exhaust valve is work for the pneumatic system. Thanks for watching this video.